No.
Okay. I'll put up a poll for every question.
Yes.
And you all can answer. Yeah?
Okay.
No.
No, they don't help.
No.
Nope. Yes, it works.
No.
Nope.
Nope.
Yep.
No.
Nope.
These are bad.
Oh, it helps to make yogurts.
Okay. Can you guys see the poll?
Yeah. No.
No, ma'am.
Poll? Oh, no. Okay, give me a second. Wait. Okay, you need to go to, I think, activity.
Oh, activities.
Can you see it now?
I saw one. Does it help? Yes or no? I voted no. Nope.
Okay.
But I can't see in activities also.
Mama, do you get any poll?
Okay, just
when the
type
message
chat
comes,
box.
you just click on it. When the message comes, you just click on it.
You guys
polls. Yes.
You guys can just type in the chat box.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. So microbes you pick up in the bathroom can be harmful. So that's why you need to wash your hands before you eat food, right? They can be pathogenic bacteria. You know what pathogenic means?
No.
Oh, okay. So pathogenic essentially means that they are disease causing. So any bacteria which are harmful or disease causing are called pathogenic bacteria or pathogenic organisms.
Yeah.
Okay, give me a second. I will show you. Yeah. Okay. So these streptococcus. So this is an example of bacteria which are pathogenic. So these are spherical bacteria and they can cause diseases. And they also cause dental plagues. Do you guys know what dental plagues are? There's this like coating, yellowing of your teeth. On top of your teeth, you have a film. That's why you brush every day, is to remove any
tartar
position on your teeth. So
tartar.
Sorry?
Yellow on our teeth is tartar on the top.
No, not yellowing of the teeth. So you have plaque which is being formed on top of the teeth. It's just like a film. And that is because of these bacteria. And even some throat infection, all of that is caused by streptococcus. Yeah? Next up, we have, let's see, what do we have next? Okay, so there's supposed to be 10 stars. We found one. Where is the next one? Here is the next one. Okay, every time you take a breath, you're inhaling billions of microbes that are floating in the air. Do these bacteria help people? Yes or no? You can type it in the chat box.
No, at all.
Okay, so yeah, okay, a lot of you guys said no, but there are actually bacteria in the air which do help as well. Most of the times they don't affect you. Sometimes, yeah, they can be pathogenic, right? Like what you guys said, but many times there are also several just normal bacteria which don't affect you. And some bacteria actually help produce oxygen. So wait, let's go over which. Okay, wait, I don't know where that bacteria went off. Ananya?
Yes, Harshni.
Where is the answer for this one? Okay, here, cyanobacteria. Found it. Okay, wait, I'm not presenting my screen, my bad. So these bacteria actually, wait, sorry.
Stop presenting. So guys, if you said, lot of you said no. So if there are a lot of bad bacteria in the air, how are we even surviving? We are inhaling some million times every day, right? Do you think we can survive if all those bacteria are really bad?
So there can be good bacteria as well. And an example of that is cyanobacteria. And cyanobacteria is actually not a bacteria, it's an algae. That's a very common misnomer. People think because it's called cyanobacteria, it's bacteria, but it's not bacteria. So yeah, they're blue-green algae and they are photosynthetic, so they produce oxygen. And they also have special cells called heterocysts, which help in fixing nitrogen. So they convert nitrogen in the air to ammonia, and they're present in the soil. They really help because they increase the nutrient content of the soil, and this helps in many plants growing. So they're actually called biofertilizers. So they help in acting as a fertilizer, but they are just biological organisms, so they don't have the side effects of chemical fertilizers, which are quite dangerous to us, right? So next up, which star do we click on? Okay, I found a star here. Do these bacteria help people? Yes or no? Yep, that's correct. These bacteria don't help, people. So which is why it's very important. As soon as if you have a wound, you need, what do we do usually when we have a wound? We clean it with Dettol. Yes? Do you guys do that?
Hmm?
So why do we clean it with Dettol? What do you think Dettol does?
It kills the germs.
Correct. So Dettol is an antiseptic. So it helps in cleaning the area, making sure that there are no microbes there which can enter your body and potentially cause harm. Some bacteria which actually enter the body and cause harm are Staphylococcus. Give me a second. Yep. Staphylococcus. So anything which has coccus, is this coccus? This means that it's a shape. So it's like spherical in shape. So that's called cocci. Yeah. So that's why it's all called Streptococcus, Staphylococcus. All of them are called coccus because they're all similar in shape. And these enter through wounds, and they are gram-positive bacteria. So do any of you know what gram-positive means or what gram-negative means? I actually learned this in my 11th, 12th grade, so it's a little not complicated. People don't teach it though. So do any of you know? If not, it's okay. I can teach you guys. Yes, no? Hi guys, are you there? Is everyone sleepy?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So gram-positive bacteria are a class of bacteria which have a very thick cell wall. Okay. And gram-negative bacteria have a very thin cell wall. So these thick cell walls can take up a stain called as gram stain, and that is why they are called gram-positive. The thin-walled bacteria, which are called gram-negative bacteria, cannot really take up the gram stain, or if they do take it up, it doesn't stay there. So they don't get stained fully, and that's why they're called gram-negative. So because they can't take up the gram stain. Does that make sense? Yeah? No? Yes?
Means little bit not. Means
Sorry?
not understand. This one I have not understood.
You've not?
Understand.
Okay, you've not understood. Okay. Okay, so there are... Yes, Rohit.
So
Rohit, can you hear me? Do you
Yes.
want to say something?
Staphylococcus enters through a cut.
Yeah, Staphylococcus. Yes,
It enters through a wound or a cut.
correct.
It causes skin infections, bacteria,
Correct.
even infections.
Yeah.
Like tetanus.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it.
Okay, so coming back to Baltesh's point about gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria. So bacteria can be divided into two types. There's gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. Okay, did you guys get that?
Yes.
Okay, so gram-positive bacteria are, okay, so you guys know about what a cell wall is, right? Did you learn about it in the cell session? Okay, correct. So there's a cell, then there is a wall surrounding the cell, right? So gram-positive bacteria are bacteria which have a very thick cell wall. So the cell walls are very thick. Okay, and gram-negative bacteria are bacteria which have very thin cell walls. Okay, so these cell walls can take up something called as gram stain, which is like a paint. Like, so, you know, like this. So this is saffronin, which is another type of stain. But like this, we have gram stain also, which is called crystal. It's called crystal violet. So it's violet in color. Okay. So that is irrelevant. So the thing is,
do you guys remember today morning we saw different types of stains? Saffronin, methylene blue. In the microscope session, Ria showed you, right, the bottle of different stains. You guys remember?
Yes.
yeah. So just like that, gram stain is another stain. So the speciality about it is only when the cell wall is very thick can it hold the stain. So it can get painted in whatever color. If the cell wall is very thin, the stain gets washed away. Okay. So that is how we classify. Some bacteria have very thick cell wall and they can hold the stain. So they will be gram, what, positive or negative?
Positive.
Very good. And some bacteria have a very thin cell wall and they cannot hold the stain and they are gram
Negative.
Very good. Great job, guys. So yeah, now let's go back to the game. Instead, okay, now here's a star. Yogurt is fermented food by billions of live bacteria. Do these bacteria help people?
Yes.
Okay. Yep.
Yep.
Great. Okay. So do you guys remember what this bacteria is called as? I taught you this.
Lactobacillus.
Very good. Great job. Who answered? Yep. So
And
it's
because they're unisexual.
sorry? Oh no. I accidentally stopped sharing instead of give me a second.
What happened, Devabrata? You were saying something?
Yeah. So these are Lactobacillus. So like I said, no. So coccus means that they're spherically shaped. Bacillus means that they're rod shaped. So these are rod shaped bacteria. Okay. And lacto just means that, what is lacto? Lacto is like milk, lactic acid, lactobacillus. So lactobacillus helps in creating lactic acid.
From where did the lacto word derive?
I don't know that. Very good question. I'm pretty sure it has some Greek origin or Latin origin.
Yeah.
But yeah, it just indicates milk and milk products in general. So yeah, this is lactobacillus. So then we can move on to the game again. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4 stars. Can you guys spot a star? Okay, here, there's 1 star here. Do these bacteria help people?
Yes, lactobacillus.
No.
No. It is written to make you sick.
Wrong heat. Wait. And do not help.
No.
How? No.
No.
Do you remember we talked, right? Why do we cook food?
To kill all bacteria. Yes.
Lot of bacteria.
Very good.
Ma'am, it
So-
is not harm.
Yeah, so many types of meat can have bacteria and other microbes in it, which are very, very harmful for us. And even just like other vegetables and things, if you don't wash them enough, they can definitely have a lot of microbes on them, which are very harmful to us, which is why you should always wash the vegetables and make sure you cook the meat properly so that all these bacteria get killed. Because many bacteria, I told you, right, they also need a very specific temperature to survive it, right? Just like us, we have, like, say we'll be comfortable from 20 to 35 degrees.
Why don't microbes get married? I know the answer.
I also know the answer.
Okay, wait for it. I'll ask you guys in the end. Good job though, if you already guessed it. But yeah, so these bacteria have to be killed. So that's why you need to cook all the meat properly and make sure you wash your vegetables properly. It's very important. And yeah, so the type of bacteria which is present in raw meat is Salmonella, and this can cause diseases like diarrhea, fever, stomach pain, and it spreads through food. Okay, next up we have, yes, 1 second, sorry guys.
Ma'am, actually, the mobile screen cover has
A lot of bacteria.
Bacteria than the toilet.
Yeah, I know there was a study recently which proved that, yes. Some kinds of microbes clean up the environment by gobbling up chemical waste. Do you think these bacteria help people?
Yes.
Yes. Yep.
Yep. So they do help people. And let's answer. Let's see. Oil spills. So do you guys know what oil spills are?
Oil spills.
No? So many times when you're having like ships, like, moving.
Oh, oil spills.
Yeah, oil spills. So
Yeah,
when they're carrying like petroleum, diesel, or their fuel itself, sometimes it leaks and it spills on to the entire ocean surface. And this is very, very dangerous for several reasons, because it affects all the organisms which are surviving in that area. All the fish, some turtles get affected, many endangered organisms which are present in the seas get affected, and it's very, very dangerous for a lot of reasons. And even if they ingest the oil, that is not good, right? And this is a result of like humans and human activities. So we need to make sure we are responsible, and we need to make sure these things like these don't happen often. So bacteria can actually help in cleaning up these oil spills. So they secrete some enzymes which help in breaking up these molecules into simpler molecules, which in turn help in cleaning up the oil spills. So an example of that is Pseudomonas. Okay? Pseudomonas. The P is silent, so it's Pseudomonas. Okay. Next. Can you guys spot a star? Okay.
I could. Yes, there are one. Toss the banana peels. True.
Yes.
Yes.
Yep.
So do these bacteria help? Yep, they do.
Yep.
Great job.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
that's it. So these are bacteria which help in composting. Again, Bacillus, I taught you guys that they are what shaped? It's there only, but what shape?
Rod
I
shape.
don't get bacteria.
Cylindrical shape.
Rod shape.
Rod shape.
Very good. And you know what a symbiotic relationship means?
Yes, ma'am. Both the organisms are symbiotically satisfied with what they have.
Yeah, so there are two organisms or two or more organisms, and all the organisms help each other survive. So they're all in a happy relationship together. right? So these
Mama,
are
give
Can I give an example?
I'm
Can I
given twig relationship.
Sorry?
As rhizobium, bacteria, and leguminous plants.
Plants, correct. That is a very good example of a symbiotic relationship. And Debabrata, you were saying something? No? Okay.
And plant gives place to gives them place to live, and then they get nutrition from the plant.
Correct. Very good. Then lichens are also a symbiotic relationship. Like you guys can look it up. You have algae and fungi there. So two things that we've learned about today. So lichens have a symbiotic relationship between algae and fungi. Algae will create food because they are photosynthetic. Are fungi photosynthetic?
No.
So they depend upon the algae for food, and they in turn protect the algae and give it like space to grow and things like that. Okay. Lichens are like have you guys seen the green like moss type of things?
On trees.
Yeah, on trees. They can be white also, actually. White. In they're actually supposed to be a pollution indicator. So in places where there's a lot of pollution, lichens don't grow. So you need to be in a very clean environment for lichens to grow. They're very, very picky. Okay. Next up, we have
Ma'am, Ma'am,
sorry, yeah.
ma'am, is mushroom a lichen?
Mushroom's not a lichen. Mushroom is a fungi. Okay. Bacteria in the soil help break down dead twigs, leaves, and help the flowers bloom. Do these bacteria help?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
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 Yeah. So microbes are super important for decomposition and recycling. So, we talk about biodegradability, right?
You must
Ma'am,
know the answer because they are. Why don't microbes get married? Because they are.
Wait, we'll get there. So, yeah. So, anyways,
Ma'am,
microbes.
I know the answer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's get there. Okay. So,
It's called the recycling of the minerals.
okay. Good job, guys. You are all very smart.
Yes.
I'm super proud
I'm
of all
also
of
very
you.
smart. It's single cell.
Yes. Woohoo.
Yes, the answer is simple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, anyways, so these microbes are very important in decomposition, and they make sure that everything goes back into the soil and acts as a fertilizer for plants, and then it's a whole life cycle, right? So, all organisms are born, they grow, they die. Once they die, something has to be there to decompose them so that you can again continue the cycle, right? So for that decomposition, bacteria play, or microbes in general, play a very, very important role. So some bacteria which help in decomposition is again Bacillus, right? So then what are the other stars? Here is one. Okay. Do these bacteria help people? The same reason I refuse to drink the water that Pranav got me.
Yep.
They help people.
Yes.
Yes, there are people.
The bacteria which are present in water, which you're trying to kill using chlorine.
No.
Why did I refuse to drink water that Pranav brought from a very old bottle that could be contaminated?
But
Because-
it's not.
Because there's a lot of bacteria in it or microbes in it, and I don't want to drink that. So because they could potentially harm me. So these bacteria could be harmful. So they don't help people. So water can carry a lot of microbes. Some of them could be helpful, but many of them are not helpful. And because they're not helpful, we don't want to fall sick. So we need to make sure the water that we drink is clean, which we either do by treating it with chlorine or by boiling it, because boiling it will also, what will it do?
Kill the germs.
Very good.
The germs.
Actually, you can use charcoal and all also.
Correct.
This old method.
Charcoal and sand and everything to filter the water. By ourselves.
You're not killing for germs.
That's right. So Vibrio Cholera is one example. It's cholera causing, and this is transmitted through water or contaminated food, and this causes indigestion, diarrhea, and yeah, it's not a good bacteria to be friends with. Okay, then
One more star. We have 3 stars left.
3 stars left. Where are the stars? Can you guys spot the stars?
One star in the bucket. I can spot the star basket. At the down basket. I could see it. Yes, press that. That's the star.
Yes.
It's real.
Say. So all these microbes are very useful. They help in like digestion. They produce some help in producing vitamin B12 and things like that. So they're very useful bacteria which we can't survive without. So yeah, it's super important that we have them. Yeah.
Next is
Example of this is E. coli. So E. coli is also our best friend. We use E. coli in our project. So we love E. coli.
Because it's easy to grow, easy to control. It doesn't cause
Diseases mostly.
Like, most of the strains don't cause diseases.
So
And-
it's a very safe and friendly bacteria to work with. So we grow bacteria. We go.
it is
grow
in the human intestine.
So what is it?
This is in the human intestine, no?
Appendix. Yeah, your appendix.
What?
This is in the human intestine, no?
Yes.
It's there in the.
So how do you remove that?
Oh no! We don't.
Those help you.
We don't need to remove it.
Bacteria
don't
in
take
your
it.
system, bacteria inside the intestinal system, they actually help in digesting food. They help in maintaining the the environment of whatever your intestine needs to be. It helps in maintaining that. So your appendix has a lot of microorganisms. in it.
Commensal bacteria.
Yeah.
So the thing is, we don't grow these E. coli from our intestine. We don't isolate it from there. We get E. coli from like stock. So people have made it before and they've frozen it. So they send it to us, and then from there we grow them and keep growing them. Okay. So yeah, then we will move on. Shall I just tab instead? How many stars? We have to find 2 more stars.
Ma'am, one is in the fruit basket.
The boy is eating the pizza.
Fruit basket.
Where is the food bar?
It doesn't brush and flows. The bacteria in his mouth will cause plaque. Not to mention sticky breath. Stinky breath. Do these bacteria help people? No.
Nope.
It doesn't brush
No.
and floss the bacteria.
No.
Yep.
Oh my god.
They are not helpful bacteria either. We already saw these bacteria. Does anybody? Okay. Yeah.
Actinomyces.
Oh my god.
So these are again gram positive and they can grow in anaerobic conditions. So what does it mean? What does anaerobic condition mean?
And without oxygen.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So they can grow in throat and nose and actinomyces. So they can cause dental plaques, which are not good. So then we finally have one more star.
Which is in the fruit basket near chef.
Yes. Fruits are full of fiber. Basically.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Yup.
Fruits
Yup,
are
yup.
full of fiber. Yes.
Single celled.
Yay.
We already said that answer. We already did single.
You guys are
Yes.
super smart. So
Single
great job.
celled. And
Okay. So now, So we have
yes.
word search. I will send you guys the link.
Staphylococcus.
So can you check your chat box for the link?
And you
Go
can
to your
go
chat
and
box
answer
and
it.
press that link. And you can play
Yeah, we got it.
and you can play it and you can send a screenshot to us on the email ID of iGEM and we'll
Can we play it now?
Yeah.
do it now.
Okay, thank you. Ready to play. Yes, cyanobacteria first. Cyanobacteria.
But we don't have any more idea about that.
Cyanobacteria.
I got one.
In this we just have
I got another.
Astenomys. Yes, I got one. Yeah, I got another one. I'm going to get another one. Oh, what?
Great job, guys.
What? Bacillus. How can we do this? Bacillus.
Staphylococcus. Coccus is circle, right?
Staphylococcus.
Bacteria.
Salmonella.
Staphylococcus static.
Vibrio Cholera.
Did you take a screen? Did you? I don't think they did.
I did.
Did not.
I did.
Did not.
Vibrio Cholera. Good one.
Yeah, I got one. Bacillus salmonella.
What did you do?
Streptococcus.
Is everybody done?
No.
Go for it.
How many words did everyone find?
I found one.
I got 5.
I found everything.
Good job, Has.
Yeah.
What
What is she?
I found Bacillus. Found one. Now Vibrio Cholera.
What was child and
Where are Vibrio Cholera? Yes. Cholera.
By mistakenly, I've gone back and all my progress.
face? It's okay.
Oh, what?
You guys can also, once you're done, you can.
Then,
I did it. All done. I did it.
Yes.
Ma'am, the form is still not accessible.
the Google form.
You guys not access it?
Maybe I've muted.
No, we're not.
Did you guys fill the Google form?
Are you able to fill it?
So we can't open it.
Oh, I think so. It is item.
Ananya, can you figure that out? Okay, give us a second. We'll figure that out.
Oh, I can't.
Ma'am, it is showing that I finished in 241 seconds.
Okay, wait. We'll fix that. Ananya, can you take care of it, or do you want me to do it? I think you've created it from your account.
Yeah, I tried it with IHM account also. Can you do it, Harshni, if possible?
I can do it, but I don't have edit access.
No. Make one new.
You want me to make a new form? Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I finished it and it's showing that I finished in 241 seconds.
Awesome.
Yay.
That's great.
Ma'am, I solved in 373 seconds.
Yay.
Can you guys check it now? If this form is visible, and if you
Did
can
everyone
figure
finish the crossword? Fine. Is it crossword or what?
It's
Yeah.
search.
No, I haven't.
it out. Okay, take your time.
It is now
Good job.
We are done. Is it interesting times speak?
Fail no and curious.
Yes.
That's what's meant.
Actinomyces. Staphylococcus. Cyanobacteria.
If you guys can do this after the meeting also. So before that, can you guys like switch on your videos if it's possible, and I'll just take a screenshot. Yeah, run out. And you can say cheese. Vijay Malika and like.
Minalake. You can change the layout.
Okay, give me a second. One second, guys.
Tile.
Eric, GB, Minal.
Vijay Malika, GB Vinu, Eric.
Eric.
Great. Minal, I don't think that's your name, but Eric. Awesome. Oh yeah, great. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Awesome. Great job, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you guys had fun this session.
Yeah, lot of.
a lot.
Learned a little bit. And you guys can join tomorrow at 9:30 for the next session, and it's on heredity and DNA. A lot of interesting stuff for sure. So,
But it would be more fun if we have practically visited.
yeah,
Yeah,
true.
it would
We
be.
will see if we can do something. I mean, like again, we can only talk with TVM for you guys. You should check out if ISET Pune has any visiting hours. But like, we'll see if we can possibly do something. We'll check it out.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Hi guys.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you for joining.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Bye. Bye.